Hair loss, fighting the invisible enemy. Hair loss is a problem that many people experience at some point in their lives, and it can be both aesthetically and psychologically challenging. The quest for solutions to this invisible enemy can be confusing and disheartening for those struggling with it. Fortunately, you are not alone in this, and there are many things you can do to combat hair loss. In this text, we will explore the basics of hair loss, its different types, causes, and treatment options. Additionally, we will provide lifestyle changes and hair care tips that you can implement to prevent hair loss. What is hair loss? Hair loss is defined as excessive shedding of hair. It is considered normal to lose 50 to 100 strands of hair per day. However, if you are experiencing shedding beyond this number, you may have a hair loss problem. Hair loss can occur across the entire scalp or in specific areas. The most common type of hair loss is androgenetic alopecia, also known as male pattern baldness. This type of hair loss manifests differently in men and women. Hair loss in men. Hair loss in men typically begins during adolescence or later. It is characterized by hair loss at the front and top of the scalp. Over time, the shedding can progress, leading to a bald spot on the crown of the head. Hair loss in women. Hair loss in women often presents differently than in men. It usually occurs evenly across the scalp. The hair becomes thinner and loses volume. Causes of hair loss. There are many different causes of hair loss. Some of the most common reasons include genetics. One of the primary causes of hair loss is genetic predisposition. If hair loss runs in your family, you are at a higher risk of experiencing it. Hormones. Hormones play a role in many bodily functions, including hair growth and shedding. Hormones like testosterone and androgens can contribute to hair loss. Stress. Stress is another common cause of hair loss. It can halt hair growth and lead to shedding. Medical conditions. Some medical conditions can also cause hair loss. These include thyroid disorders, iron deficiency, and autoimmune diseases like lupus. Medications. Some medications can have hair loss as a side effect. These include antidepressants, anticoagulants, and chemotherapy drugs. Hair loss treatments. There are various treatment options available for hair loss. The most suitable treatment method depends on the cause of the hair loss and the patient's overall health. Hair loss treatment options. Medications. Drugs like minoxidil and finasteride can help stop or slow down hair loss. Hair transplantation. Hair transplantation is a surgical procedure that involves transplanting hair follicles from other areas of the scalp to the bald area. Laser therapy. Laser therapy uses low-level laser light to stimulate hair growth. PRP therapy. PRP therapy involves injecting the patient's own platelet-rich plasma derived from their blood into the scalp. Lifestyle changes to prevent hair loss. Some lifestyle changes that you can make to prevent hair loss include healthy eating. A healthy and balanced diet helps ensure you get the vitamins and minerals necessary for hair growth. Stress can trigger hair loss. You can benefit from stress-reducing techniques such as yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises. Adequate sleep. Sufficient sleep is important for hair growth. For most adults, 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night is ideal. Quit smoking. Smoking can disrupt blood circulation, leading to a decrease in nutrients reaching the hair follicles. Quitting smoking can be beneficial for your hair health. Hair care. Wash your hair regularly, but avoid overwashing. Use shampoo and conditioner suitable for your hair type. Try to minimize the use of heat styling tools. Hair care tips. Use gentle shampoo. Avoid shampoos containing harsh chemicals that can irritate your scalp. Choose a gentle shampoo and wash your hair 2 to 3 times a week. Use hair conditioner. Hair conditioner helps moisturize your hair and prevent breakage. Apply conditioner focusing on the ends of your hair. Reduce heat styling. Using heat styling tools, like straighteners, blow dryers, or curling irons frequently can damage your hair. If you need to use these tools, try to keep the heat setting low and apply a heat protectant spray to your hair. Be mindful when wearing hats. wearing tight hats frequently can cause hair loss. Opt for hats made of natural materials like cotton that allow your hair to breathe. Handle wet hair with care. Brushing your hair when wet can cause it to break more easily. Use a wide-tooth comb to gently detangle your wet hair. You can use your regular brush once your hair is dry. Myths about hair loss. There are many misconceptions and myths surrounding hair loss. Let's look at some of these myths. Cutting hair short prevents hair loss. Cutting your hair short does not prevent hair loss. Hair loss occurs beneath the scalp, and hair length is not related to it. Stress causes hair to turn white. Stress does not directly cause hair to turn white. However, stress can lead to hair loss, and as your hair sheds, the new hair that grows in may naturally be lighter in color. Using anti-dandruff shampoo prevents hair loss. Anti-dandruff shampoos prevent scalp itching and flaking, but are not effective in preventing hair loss. Psychological effects. Hair loss can be psychologically challenging for both men and women. It can lead to loss of confidence, social isolation, and depression. Therefore, if you are experiencing hair loss, do not hesitate to seek psychological support. Hair loss is a common issue but treatable. It's important to consult a dermatologist to determine the cause of hair loss and find the most suitable treatment for you. Additionally, implementing lifestyle changes and hair care tips can help prevent or slow down hair loss. Remember, you are not alone in the battle against hair loss. The information in this article can guide you and help alleviate your concerns about hair loss. Foods and other recommendations that can prevent hair loss. Hair loss is a complex issue influenced by many different factors. In addition to genetic and hormonal factors, inadequate nutrition, stress, and lack of sleep can also contribute to hair loss. One of the most important things you can do to prevent hair loss is to follow a healthy and balanced diet. Consuming foods rich in vitamins and minerals necessary for hair growth can help prevent hair loss. Some foods that can help prevent hair loss include protein. Foods rich in protein, such as eggs, fish, chicken, meat, beans, and lentils provide the amino acids necessary for hair growth. Iron. Iron deficiency can cause hair loss. It is important to consume iron-rich foods such as spinach, red meat, dried fruits, and seafood. Zinc. Zinc deficiency can also lead to hair loss. Consuming zinc-rich foods like pumpkin seeds, red meat, crab, and oysters can be beneficial. Biotin. Biotin is an important vitamin for hair growth. Consuming foods rich in biotin, such as egg yolks, salmon, avocado, and sweet potatoes can help prevent hair loss. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids can promote hair growth and help prevent hair loss. Consuming foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, such as salmon, sardines, walnuts, and flax seeds can be beneficial. Other things you can do to prevent hair loss include: manage your stress. Stress contributes significantly to hair loss. You can practice stress-reducing techniques, such as yoga, meditation, or breathing exercises. Get enough sleep. Adequate sleep is important for overall health and hair growth. Adults should aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. Quit smoking. Smoking can cause hair loss. Quitting smoking can help prevent hair loss and improve your overall health. Take care of your hair care routine. Avoid washing your hair too frequently. Use a gentle shampoo and avoid washing your hair with very hot water. Avoid frequent use of heat styling tools, curling irons, straighteners. See a doctor if you are experiencing hair loss. Your doctor can diagnose the cause of your hair loss and provide you with the most suitable treatment options. If you are experiencing hair loss, you can prevent or slow it down by following these recommendations. Remember, being patient and consistently applying these recommendations is important. Health is one of the most valuable assets in our lives, and here we'll share important information to help you preserve and enhance this precious asset in our channel filled with healthy lifestyle tips, nutrition advice, exercise recommendations, and more. We're here to guide you on every aspect of health. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn everything you need to know about health and to live a healthier life. Let's take a step towards a healthy life together.